Chris Mondini, Vice President Europe, ICANN. Okay, what are you working on at ICANN in order to ensure network interoperability right now?
Well, at ICANN, we have both a technical role administering the domain name system, the DNS, and we have many projects and collaborative programs such as Kind DNS to assure that organizations who are running DNS servers and infrastructure are doing it in the safest, most secure, reliable way. At the same time, we are also monitoring very much events in the world, whether geopolitical or regulatory, to spread the message of how the internet works and its interoperable, voluntary, distributed nature, and help stakeholders around the world understand how they can support this global system and keep it running and interoperable.
Okay, what are the main challenges you are facing to reach this goal under the current situation, of course?
Well, I'm very happy to say that the domain name system continues to run uninterruptedly without fail for 40 plus years, and it continues to grow to a point where we have 3.5 billion people connected to the internet and many tens of billions of their devices connected. So on the one hand, we're working very hard, keeping things running very, very smoothly. But as you say, there are challenges. Some of those challenges are geopolitical in nature. There are pressures in the world, trade wars, technological decoupling of manufacturing powers, real wars, and through all of this we have to maintain our focus on the people who use the internet and the technology that keeps it growing and expanding. And so far we've been very successful, in my view.
But what is and can ICANN do, also other members of the internet governance body as a whole, in order to overcome these challenges?
Well, I'm really glad that you asked. So ICANN itself is a nonprofit organization and it employs about 450 people around the world. But we have many thousands of volunteers who participate in ICANN policymaking. And they come from business, government, technical community, civil society, and ordinary internet users. We convene them to help make policies about the domain name system and about internet interoperability. At the same time, we can rely on them to go home to the many countries they're from and inform the policymakers and the leaders and the influencers how the internet works and the importance of maintaining its global multi-stakeholder governance structure. So we're lucky in a way that we have so many stakeholders who care about the internet, and we rely on them to spread the word. Of course, we talk to people in influence and people who are making decisions about their regulatory decisions or their governance opinions. We speak at many international conferences and diplomatic gatherings, but it's really our stakeholders and volunteers who help us educate the world how the internet works and continue to support really the greatest human project that's ever united 3.5 billion people.
Right. Thank you, Chris Mondini.
Thank you very much.